Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to log out of Trim remotely. If you ever lose your phone and you want to make sure that your Trim account is secure, logging out remotely is a smart move. First, all you gotta do is open the Trim app on another device or log into your account on the Trim website. And then you're going to go to your account settings or security settings and look for options like manage devices or active sessions. Here you're going to see a list of devices currently logged into your Trim account. Find the device that you want to log out from and just tap log out or remove access. This immediately ends that session and prevents anyone from accessing your Trim data on that device. It's a great way to protect your account if your phone is lost, stolen, or if you've logged in on a public device. Remember to also change your password and to enable two-factor authentication for added security. And that's pretty much it on how to log out of Trim remotely, easy and secure. In the next video, I'm going to show you guys how to delete your Trim account. So like and subscribe so you don't miss out on that. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.